your dinner sold out in about 10 seconds. Everyone loves you, and there's a reason. I mean, you've got 6 restaurants right around the country.
Right.
4. You just opened Italy, which is probably the most amazing food hall in America, I have to say. Having been there, really is spectacular. You've got 6 cookbooks. You have a book coming out this fall.
One in October, Nona, Tell Me a Story. It's for children. It's my first children's book. It's about an edible Christmas tree. Like when I was a little child, we made all the goodies and decorated the trees. So I told the story, and all the characters is the families, my children, because it's a real story.
Okay, and then you've also got a line of cookware.
I have a line of ceramics, of cookware coming out, and different utensils.
Wow.
Absolutely.
You know, I can't believe how much you do. You know, you're a chef, a TV host, a cookbook author, I mean, a designer of cookware, and your grandma. Right,
and we have the sauces and the pasta.
And the sauces and the pastas.
Lidia's pasta. Now it's just across the United States being distributed.
So you can get it on a website or mail order, or
no, you can get it in Wegman.
In all the supermarkets.
Deals, yeah.
So out of all the things that you do, what is your favorite thing to do?
Being a grandma.
Oh. Well, Lidia, thank you so much for having us and coming to our house, and we love coming to yours. So thank you.